Welcome to the next and very interesting module on pay-per-click advertising. The name of this module is Pay-per-click advertising, Google Ads. As the name suggests, under this module, we will learn about the very popular and widely used platform for pay-per-click advertising, and the name of this platform is Google Ads. In this module, you will specifically learn what is Google Ad platform, how does PPC work, how to register for Google Ads, and lastly, what are various types of keyword match. So Google Ads is a very vast platform when it comes to the online advertising. That is why we have devoted full 3 weeks to understand it properly. I hope after understanding this platform properly, you will be able to manage your PPC campaigns independently. So let us begin to explore this platform. What is a Google Ads? Google Ads, earlier known as Google AdWords, is a product from Google started in the year of 2000. It's an online platform from where advertisers can manage their different types of campaigns to show their product, services, video content, and promote mobile app installations. Google Ads can handle various types of campaigns like search campaigns, display campaigns, remarketing, video campaigns, app installs, etc. To understand more about Google Ads, let us first register for it. Then we will learn how does it work. Although we have already registered for Google Ad when we discussed the Google Keyword Planner. However, many learners were not able to access the full features of Google Ads. Now to have the full access to all the features of Google Ads, just follow the steps explained by me very carefully. So let us start to register with Google Ads. To create an account to the Google Ads, just visit this link only. I am again reiterating here that you have to visit this link only. Sometimes what happens, you search for Google Ads on Google and there are many promotional links for Google Ads, and clicking on any link may lead you to the somewhere else. Make sure that you have used this link to register the Google Ads. I have also given this link in the description and you can simply click on it to reach the Google Ad registration page. Now the second mistake that most of the beginners make, they directly click on Start Now. Please don't click on any Start Now, otherwise you will be confused with the advertising setup guide that we don't want at this point of time. What you have to do, you have to simply click Sign In. Before sign in, make sure that you have your Google ID account. It's simply Gmail ID. If you don't have Gmail ID, then first create it, then click on Sign In. I'm using my Gmail credential to log in to the Google Ads. Now this is the third point where most of the beginners will make a mistake. You will find here so many advertising goals are listed. Don't click on any goals as we are not clear about our advertising objectives as of now. Even don't click on continue. You can see an option here to create an account without any campaign. Just click this one. You will be prompted to a new page where Google would like to have more information from us about our business. This information is very critical and you have to submit it very correctly as you can't change it later on. So while filling this information, be very careful. Enter your country, time zone and the currency of your bills. As all settings are in Indian context, so let them be default. If you belong to another country, please fill the information accordingly. Click Submit. Congratulations, you are all done. Don't click anywhere else. Just click to explore your account. This is an interface of Google Ads. Go to Tools and see all the options of Google Ads are available here. Even the Keyword Planner is present here. Earlier, those who were not able to find that Keyword Planner tool, now they will be able to find it correctly. Just follow the right approach. We have already discussed about keyword planner in search engine optimization module, and more will be discussed in the subsequent modules. So this was the process how to sign up for Google Ads. I am again reiterating here that please follow all the steps mentioned in the video to register for Google Ads. Otherwise, you will land somewhere else and you will not be able to understand the interface of Google Ads properly. So in the next part, we will discuss how Google Ads work.